So OESS and Cloud Connect have historically been great services for the membership, but we didn't want to just assume that we were going to update what we already have. And so again, the user design and user experience person that we have on staff, along with a couple of the core developers, have already spent quite a few hours, and there will be even more hours spent over the next few months, with the assistance of the BRM team, putting together user groups, end users, current users of OESS and Cloud Connect, some of the more, the people from our membership community who are kind of thought leaders, who are out ahead of everybody else and what they might want, and really starting from basic concepts, stripping it all the way back down to, like, what are you trying to do? Like, not what does the interface look like and what do you not like about the current interface, but what are you actually trying to do? What is going to get your job done more efficiently? And pulling it all the way back to those baseline concepts, getting all that information through lots of interaction with real users, and then building back up from there into this new product that will do the same things that OESS does, but may not do them in the same way, that's going to operate from a different fundamental conceptual basis. There's going to be some big opportunities for collaboration between the members, right? To have members, use cases where people from different institutions or different regionals want to collaborate on some of these network configurations. And we're going to, if we get it right, always have to be cautious, we're going to give them a new tool and some new interfaces and some new workflows that will make that so much easier than it is today.